Hey, it's Russ. Hopefully you checked out how to make the easy no-sew face mask using a cotton t-shirt in the previous video. Now, how do you clean? The easiest way I found to clean your mask, because one, the CDC says you should only wear it once. So if you go out to the grocery store and come back and have worn the mask, you shouldn't wear it again. Now, one of the ways you can do is you can put it in with your laundry, but you've got to make sure you do your laundry on hot. And the laundry machine uses a lot of water. So what is another way that you can clean them efficiently and effectively and, kill the virus? Well, my solution is pretty easy. When you get home, here's the important thing to know. When you go to take off the mask, and even when you're wearing it in public, do not grab your mask here, as any of the germs and the virus will get on your hands. Always go to pull off the mask from your ears using the straps that you've created, the holes, okay? When you get done, have a bag or a container set up that everyone places in your house. A bag works best. Maybe you have an old trash can that you don't use, line it, and everybody places their mask in there. So you drop that in. So when you're ready to wash your masks, because if you only have 3 or 4, you don't want to use an entire thing of laundry. My recommendation, my solution. Now, I'm not going to get everything wet right now today because I've just made these and I haven't worn them out in public yet. So I want to be able to use them, because I haven't bought any. I haven't found any for sale. So get a little bit of water, place it in a bowl, add some dishwashing detergent, and place the mask in the bowl. All you want is enough to get them damp and get it a little sudsy. Now remember, you're going to be washing your hands in between. So get in there, get a little bit of lather going in with your masks, and you want them to be damp. Then go wash your hands. So if you've gotten any germs, now you've got the soap on there. Wash your hands, come back. Take some water, place it in the microwave. You want to get this up to over 170 degrees. So I'd say take it to boiling. Take this water to boiling, or just under when you start to see the bubbles. Turn off your microwave. Now, let this rest for just a second, because what is going to happen is your fibers are going to tighten up on your mask, which is okay because it will be a nice, tighter fit. Pour the boiling water into your bowl with your masks. And now, make sure you have a fork or a spoon and mix up. You want to get it kind of like a laundry sensation. So you might use a whisk or something. Make sure that you're seeing suds, and let your mask sit for a few minutes as the heat kills off the viruses that are in your masks. Then you can wait till it cools, or you can use tongs, lay them out on a drying rack, and once they dry, they're good to go. They may not be as soft as if you have a softener or put them in the dryer, but they should be good to go, and you can reuse these masks that way. And until you are able to get a better mask or an easier mask, if you are like me, you don't have any sewing skills, you hate trying to thread that needle with the thread, and until you get those or get better masks, this no-sew solution will work for you and protect others in case you have the virus, and protect you a little bit from them. And make sure, like I said in the video before, you are using cotton. Don't use synthetic fibers for these, because they're not the best. I wish you well, and hopefully this is helping you solve a problem you have like I had of how to make masks at home without any of the supplies that everybody else seems to have. So good luck, take care of yourself, and stay healthy. Thanks for watching.